Hello, Ben.
Hi, teacher.
Hello, mommy. Hello, Ben. How are you? Are you happy? Wow. You say, I'm happy today, teacher. Say that. You say, I'm happy today, teacher. Can you say that? Ben, Ben, Ben. You say, I'm happy today, teacher. Can you say that, Ben? I am today. Yes, very good. Did, did you go to school today? Uh-huh. Okay. Here. Did you go to school today?
Hôm nay bạn có đi học không?
Yes? Yes? Yeah, you say, yes, I did. Very good. Okay. And have you eaten dinner?
Bạn đã ăn tối chưa?
Yes or no?
No.
Okay. You say, no, I did not. Or, honey. Are you ready for our class, Ben?
Bạn đã sẵn sàng cho lớp học của chúng ta chưa?
Yes? Are you ready? Ben? Are you ready, honey? Ben? Honey? Are you ready? You ready?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. Teacher's now going to share the screen. So today, honey, we are... Oh, what's that? What's this? What's this? Okay. Oh, what's that? Oh, oh no. Okay. Are you ready for our class, honey? Are you ready? Yes?
Yes.
Yes. You say, yes, I am. Very good. Okay. So now, my dear, we are going to have lesson 16.2, and this is all about... Honey, I have a question, my dear. I have a question, honey. My dear, do you know how to read?
Em yêu, em có biết đọc không?
Yes or no?
No.
No, I...
No.
No. Okay. So, okay. So, teacher's just going to guide
Vậy
you.
nên giáo viên sẽ chỉ
To guide you.
để hướng dẫn bạn.
Then you follow teacher, okay?
Và sau đó bạn làm theo hướng dẫn của giáo viên nhé.
Okay? Okay. So right now we're going to have the topic about school subjects.
Bây giờ chúng ta sẽ bàn về các môn học ở trường.
Okay? Okay? Okay, you say, okay, teacher. Can you say that? Okay, teacher. Say that. Okay, let's have the first one. What is this, Ben? What is this? This one is Ben. You say
English.
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 Yes, very good. English.
Tiếng Anh.
Tiếng Anh. Okay? English. You say English for 3 times. English, English, English. Your turn.
English.
Okay. English, English, English. Your turn. Okay. All right. Next one, honey, I'm going to ask you. Do you like the English subject, honey?
Em có thích môn tiếng Anh không, cưng?
Do you like it?
I don't.
Oh, you say no, I don't. I don't like English. You say, I don't like English. Can you say that?
English.
Oh. Is it a hard subject?
Đây có phải là một chủ đề khó không?
Yeah.
Yeah, you say yes, it is. Say that.
Yes.
Yes, it is. Your turn.
It.
Yeah, you say English is hard. You say English is hard. Can you say that? Honey, my dear, you're on mute. Please unmute.
Em yêu, em đang bật mic, làm ơn bật mic lên.
Okay. All right, you say English is hard. Can you say that? English. Ben. English. Ben. My dear, don't turn off your camera.
Em yêu, đừng tắt máy nhé.
Yeah. Okay, you say English. English is hard. Yeah, you don't like it, right? Because it's hard. Okay. Now again, what is this word? This word is, or this subject is, is that?
No.
What subject is it again, honey? Can you say it?
Đây là môn học gì vậy?
Can you say it?
Bạn có thể nói nó không?
English.
English.
Yes.
English.
Okay. Yes, honey. English.
English.
Yes. Okay. Next one. We have
IT.
this. What is this?
IT.
Very
IT.
good. That one is IT. Do you know the IT subject?
Bạn có biết về chủ đề công nghệ thông tin
IT.
không?
Honey?
No, I don't. No, I don't. No, I don't.
Oh. Do you like that subject?
Bạn có thích môn học đó
I
không?
know.
Huh? What?
No.
No, you don't like it. Okay, you don't like the IT subject. You say, I don't have. Can you say that? I don't have You say, I don't have
I don't
IT subject at school. Can you say that one, Ben? Ben, can you say it? I don't have.
teach.
Honey, follow teacher. Repeat after me, my dear.
Hãy lặp lại theo tôi nhé, em yêu.
Okay? Again, I don't have. Ben? Ben, you say, I don't have
No.
IT subject. IT subject at school.
Good.
Very good. Okay, so let's have the meaning of the IT subject, honey, okay? What is IT subject? Okay, let's figure out what is IT subject, okay? So IT subject, honey, is the school subject about computers. Teacher's going to share it to you. Here.
Môn học ở trường về máy tính, công nghệ và sử dụng hệ thống thông tin.
Yes, okay?
Okay.
Okay, that is it. Now, let's have the other. Okay, let's have IT for 3 times, honey. IT, IT, IT. Very good. Okay, let's have the next one. What do you think is this, Ben? What is this? Do you know this? Do you know this subject?
Bạn có biết chủ đề này không?
Uh-huh. Honey?
No.
No, you say, no, I don't. You say that? Very good. Okay, now let's move forward to this one. This
Art.
one is art. Very good. You say art. Okay, art subject, honey, or
Môn nghệ thuật.
okay. All right. Môn nghệ thuật.
Môn nghệ thuật.
Yes, art subject. Okay. All right. Do you have this subject at school?
Bạn có môn học nào ở trường không?
Mhm. Honey? Do you have, uh-huh. Again. Oh, no. Do you have art subject at school? Here.
Trường bạn có học môn mỹ thuật không?
Yeah?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
No. Yes.
Do you like this subject?
Bạn có thích chủ đề này không?
Yes.
Yes. Very good. You say, I like art subject. Hello, Ben? Ben? I like art subject. Yeah? Okay. All right. Okay, honey, let's have the art subject for 3 times. You say art, art, art.
Art.
Very good. You say I like art.
I like art.
Very good. Okay, now let's have this one. Can you guess what subject is this? Can you guess what subject is this in the picture?
Bạn có đoán được đây là vật gì trong bức ảnh không?
Yeah? No? Yes. What is it?
Yes.
Yes, what is it?
Yes.
What subject do you think is this?
Bạn nghĩ đây là môn học gì? Bạn nghĩ đây là môn học gì?
It is? Okay, this one
PE.
is PE. Can you say it? Say
PE.
PE. Very good. Say PE. Again? Mm-hmm. Yes. Honey, not P. PE. PE.
C.
Huh? Say PE.
C. 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 C.
What?
Here.
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 Môn giáo dục thể chất là môn học ở trường về thể dục, thể thao và giữ gìn sức khỏe.
Okay. Yeah? Do you have PE subject at school?
Trường bạn có môn thể dục không?
Yes.
Here.
Trường bạn có môn thể dục không?
You say yes, I have. Honey, you say yes, I have.
I know. So I know. So yes, I know. Yes, I do. Yes, I know. No, I don't.
Okay. Can you say yes, Ben? Ben? Say Ben. Ben. Ben? Are you listening to teacher? Okay, you say yes, I have. Yes, I have.
Yes,
PE subject at school. Can you say that? Yes, I have. Honey? Yes, I have.
yes, I have.
PE subject at school.
And
Yes, okay. That is it. You say, I like PE.
I like he.
PE.
He.
PE.
He.
Yes. Say, I like PE. Uh-huh. Honey, you sit down properly. You sit down properly. Honey, you sit down properly, please.
Mời bạn ngồi xuống cho ngay ngắn.
Okay, now let's move forward to the next one. Okay, let's have this. What subject do you have on Sunday? No. Not that one. What subject do you have on Tuesday?
Tiết học môn gì vào thứ ba?
Huh? What subjects do you have on Tuesday, honey?
Bạn có những môn học nào vào thứ ba?
Yeah? You don't have? Do you go to school every Tuesday?
Bạn có đi học mỗi thứ ba không?
Yes? Okay, so, honey, what are the subjects that you have every Tuesday?
Mỗi thứ ba bạn học những môn gì?
Mm-hmm. What? Then, why do you keep on turning around? Okay, what are the subjects do you have on Tuesday?
Mỗi thứ ba bạn học những môn gì?
Is it English? Do you have English? Ben? 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 Honey?
Mỗi thứ ba bạn học những môn gì?
Mm-hmm.
uh,
Is it English? Do you have English?
yes.
Yes, okay. Okay. English. Okay. Next one. Do you have math?
Bạn có môn toán không?
Do you have math?
No, 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 no.
Yeah? Honey?
Roy and Roy and
Honey? Do you have math on Tuesday?
Bạn có tiết toán vào thứ ba không?
Yes or no?
yeah.
Yes, okay. So English and then math. Um, do you have PE on Tuesday?
Bạn có tiết thể dục vào thứ ba không?
No.
Okay. Do you have Vietnamese subject on Tuesday?
Bạn có tiết học tiếng Việt vào thứ ba không?
Yeah? Ben? Yeah? Do you have Vietnamese subject on Tuesday?
Bạn có tiết học tiếng Việt vào thứ ba không?
Yes?
Yes.
Or no? Yes, okay, let's put Vietnamese. Okay. So let's have this Vietnamese on Tuesday. Okay. So let's have this one, Ben. You say, I have. Honey, you say, I have. I have English.
No.
You say it. You follow teacher. You repeat after me, please.
Bạn hãy nhắc lại theo tôi nhé.
You say, I have. Ben? Ben, what are you doing? Sit properly and face the screen, please. Sit properly and face the screen, honey.
Ngồi thẳng lưng và nhìn thẳng vào màn hình nhé em yêu.
Okay? Okay, you say I have
Yes.
yes, I have English. I have English,
I am big
math,
now.
and Vietnamese
I'm big
on Tuesday.
I'm good.
Very good. Okay. That is it. Now, let's have this one. Here, honey, you have to encircle the odd one in the group. Encircle.
Show the number.
Okay, here.
Khoanh tròn phần tử khác biệt không thuộc nhóm.
Okay, honey, let's have this one. We have PE, Sunny, IT, and Math. Encircle, honey, encircle the odd one that does not belong to the group.
Khoanh tròn phần tử khác biệt không thuộc nhóm.
Honey, is it PE, Sunny, IT, or Math? Which one? Can you encircle it?
Khoanh tròn phần tử khác biệt không thuộc nhóm.
This one. This group first. Number one first.
Xin vui lòng là số 1 trước.
Number one first, please. Number one, honey. Encircle the word that is not a school subject.
Khoanh tròn từ không phải là môn học ở trường. Khoanh tròn từ không phải là môn học ở trường.
That one is a school subject. Math is a school subject, honey. PE, Sunny, IT, and Math. The answer is Sunny. The second word is not a school subject. Again, the school subject is not, sorry. The second word is not a school subject.
Từ thứ hai không phải là một môn học ở trường.
Okay? All right. Okay, how about the second one? How about the second one, honey? Which word is not a school subject?
Khoanh tròn từ không phải là môn học ở trường.
Okay. So anyway, the time is already over, Ben. So we're going to have next time on Friday. You did great. So you have to participate more next time, honey. Bye-bye.